कम्प्युटर इन्जिनियर अफिसियरको लागि मोडल एक्जाम जुन चाहिँ प्रिभियसली आएको छ, मैले मेरो एक्सपिरियन्सबाट चाहिँ मेरो मेमोरी बेसका क्वेसनहरू छन् अनि कुनै कुनै मैले नेटबाट खोजेको पनि छ। जस कलेक्सन 60वटा क्वेसनको है। टेस्ट राइट। Object oriented programming uses dash approach top down, mixed, hybrid, bottom up भनेपछि उपले प्रयोग गर्ने के हो त बटम अप। Which of the following is not considered as a risk in project management? Which of the following option is not considered as a risk? See, it's testing. Which command is used to remove a relation from SQL? SQL बाट हामीले टेबललाई डिलिट गर्न पर्यो भने ड्रप टेबल भन्ने प्रयोग गर्छौँ। That is drop. What is the maximum number of nodes in binary tree that has n level if the root level is 0? Binary tree मा root level लाई हामीले चाहिँ 0 level भनेर assumption गर्ने हो भने त्यसमा भएका अरु नोड चाइल्ड नोड्सहरुको म्याक्सिमम नम्बर चाहिँ कति हुन सक्छ त भन्दाखेरि यो भनेको कति होला त 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 option number A. Remote computing service involve the use of time sharing and dash processing. Remote computing service ले time sharing and batch processing को काम गर्छ। Next, which among the following is responsible for the occurrence of delay faults? Delay faults को लागि responsible aging effects and opens in metal line connecting parallel transistor, improper estimation of on-chip interconnected and routing delay, variation in circuit delay and clock skew, all of the mentioned. भन्ने बित्तिकै यो तीनटै कन्डिसन चाहिँ के को लागि हो त भन्दाखेरि डिले फल्ट को लागि रेस्पोन्सिबल। Which of the following is not an application layer service? Application layer मा नहुने के हो त error control. Given language Yox so that it is divisible by 3. The total number of final state to be assumed in order to pass the number of constituting 0, 2 is the total number of final state को लागि चाहिँ x को final state भनेको 2. The time complexity of bubble sort algorithm is bubble sort ले चाहिँ O(n) square time complexity मा कुनै पनि operation perform गर्छ। Choose an internal software quality from given below. Internal software quality भन्ने बित्तिकै हामीले चाहिँ reusability reuse गराउन सक्ने भन्ने capability सम्झिनु पर्छ। What is the major reason for building distributed system? What is not a major reason? Resource sharing, obviously. Computational speed up, okay. Reliability, okay. Simplicity is not a reason. Which of the following controls the time slicing in a multitasking operation system? Time slicing, multitasking kernel. Right? Active Directory domain service or active directory service is a storehouse of information about various type of network domains or network object. Right? Which of the following tool is used to generate API documentation in HTML format from doc comments in a source code? HTML Java को कुरा HTML फर्मेटमा चाहिँ HTML API डकुमेन्टेसनलाई जेनेरेट गर्न पर्यो भने जावा डक जावा पी इज कमान्ड टु जावा पी को काम चाहिँ के हो त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ के गर्ने भयो त सेपरेट जावा क्लास फाइल्स है TDM link has 20 signal channels and each channel is sampled at 8 kHz. Each sample is represented by 7 bits and contains an additional bit for synchronization. The total bit rate for the TDM link is time division multiplexing भित्र के हुने भयो त भन्दाखेरि 20 signal into 8000 Hz 1600 हर्ज हुने भयो सुरुमा लिङ्क त्यस पछाडि हरेक स्याम्पललाई चाहिँ 7 बिट ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गरिन्छ भने +1 बिट चाहिँ हाम्रो एक्स्ट्रा बिट प्रयोग गरिन्छ फर सिंक्रोनाइजेसन त्यो हुँदाखेरि 1600 हर्ज इन्टु 8 भन्ने बित्तिकै हाम्रो कति आयो त 1280 केबी पर सेकेन्ड यो हामीले ख्याल गर्नु पर्यो है त Which technology has semi-insulating substrate? Silicon, silicon nitride, gallium oxide, gallium arsenide. It's gallium arsenide. Which of the following is another name for the system virtual machine? System virtual machine भन्ने बित्तिकै that is hardware virtual machine. If xn is a real sequence and xk is its endpoint DFT, then which of the following is true? xn minus k is x asterisk k, xn minus k is equals to x minus k, xn minus k is equals to x minus k. दुईटा भयो all of the mentioned भनेदेखि यहाँ भएका सबै चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा सबै चाहिँ ट्रू हुने भयो all of the mentioned. For converting a virtual address into physical address, the programs are divided into blocks, frame, segments, page. For converting virtual address into physical address, programs are divided into multiple pages. Before performing arithmetic and logical operation by ALU, data must first transfer from primary memory to ALU operation गर्नुभन्दा सुरुमा डेटा चाहिँ केमा हुनु पर्यो त ALU रेजिस्टरमा हुनु पर्यो है ALU रेजिस्टरमा हुनु पर्यो ALU register. The first machine cycle of an instruction is always upward and fetch cycle. To avoid loading during a read operation, the device used tri-state buffer. Which of the following gate is also known as coincidence detector? AND, NAND, or NOT? Which of the following gate? AND gate. AND gate is coincidence detector. Which of the following elements of electrical engineering cannot be analyzed using Ohm's law? Ohm's law ले एनालाइज गर्न नसक्ने के हो त रेजिस्टर गर्छ क्यापेसिटर गर्छ इन्डक्टर पनि गर्छ is transistor. A device that converts a mechanical pressure to electrical energy is called. Mechanical energy लाई electrical energy मा चेन्ज गर्ने डाइनामो. डिस्काउन्ट सर्ट. त्यसै गरी मेकानिकल प्रेसरलाई इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जीमा चेन्ज गर्ने भने के हो त पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक डिभाइस. An attack in which the site is not capable of answering valid requests called यस्तो खालको अट्याक जसले चाहिँ भ्यालिड रिक्वेस्टलाई चाहिँ एन्सर गर्न क्यापेबल हुँदैन त्यो भनेको चाहिँ के हो त डिओएस अट्याक, डिनायल अफ सर्भिस अट्याक. The field that covers a variety of computer networks, both public and private, that are used in everyday jobs is mm, covers variety of computer network भनेको के हो त network security. A typical program creates some remote objects, makes reference to these objects accessible and wait for clients to invoke method on these objects. A typical dash program creates some remote objects, make reference to these objects accessible and waits for clients to invoke the server. A linear time invariant LTI system is said to be stable if its natural response is its if its natural response approach zero age uh, approaches zero age time approaches infinity, neither decay nor grow but remains constant or oscillates. Approach infinity is time approach infinity. uh, ANU bounded input else and unbounded output. यसको सही एन्सर चाहिँ its natural response is approaches zero age time approaches infinity. थ्याङ्क यू. यो हाम्रो 30 क्वेसनको सेट थियो. यो सेटमा जति पनि क्वेसन छन् तपाईँहरूले यो चाहिँ लोकसेवाबाट सोधिएको क्वेसनहरू जसलाई खोजेर पनि हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, रिचेक गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यस्ता क्वेसनहरू हामीले थप पढ्नलाई र धेरै चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम क्वेसन पढ्ने भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो टेस्टबुक.कमबाट, साइनफाउन्डी.कमबाट, mcqmate.कमबाटहरू छन्. अनि ब्रेनलीमा पनि यसको धेरैवटा चाहिँ सोल्युसन पाइन्छन् है. अनि अरू पनि भयो टपर, एमसिक्यू क्वेसन, क्यारियर राइट, अल इन्टरभ्यू, यस्ता कुराहरूबाट हामीले हेर्न सकिन्छ धेरै क्वेसनहरू.